Hey, if you want to see what Miss V picked up from the Dollar Tree, I got a few Christmas items. Stay tuned. To my channel, this is Miss V here. I got a Dollar Tree haul for you. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Miss V, and my channel focuses on anything that saves you money. This is a budget-friendly channel, and I like to shop at the Dollar Tree, clearance rack. I like to coupon, shop at the thrift store, do my own projects, anything that saves me money. So, without further ado, let's get into this Dollar Tree haul. I found a few Christmas items. I'll do those last, but I picked up 5 bouquets of these maple leaves, these pretty maple leaves. So I have 5 of these. They're different. This one has more red in it, deeper orange, and then this one has more yellow in it. So there are 2 different types. So I picked up 2 of the deeper leaves and 3 of the brighter leaves. So I have these guest towels. There are 18 in here. I like to use these in my bathroom for people to wash their hands with. So I picked up 4 of these. G-Mom Housewife started me to using these, which I think is great. They're nice and thick. They're not cheap or anything, but these are great for the bathroom, and I got 4 of them. So if this is something you're interested in, when you see these at the Dollar Tree, you have to get them right then. Then I picked up 4 packs of these moss sheets. As you know, I'll be doing DIY. Y'all know DIY is coming soon. Got a pack of these sheet of these window clings for the fall. And I picked up this chair cover. This jack-o'-lantern chair cover. It is nice and wide. I'm not going to use it as a chair cover. I'm thinking about making me a sign for outdoors. I'm trying to see how wide it is. Oh, that's nice and wide. So that'll be a cute little sign to put outside. So I'm going to decide how I'm going to do it, but that's what I'm thinking about doing with this. Since I don't decorate for Halloween, that'll still be fall related. So next, I have a little bale of hay. I already straw bale. I already have 1. I needed 1 more. My signature items, these little Huggy wipes. Just the Huggy wipes. Y'all seen those. Picked up my pistachios. Got tied to them. And I picked up 2 of these kitchen towels, the leaf kitchen towels, 2 of these. And I picked this up in the Halloween section. Stay to the end. I'll show you what I'm gonna do with this. Fright Night, some of that fright tape. I actually picked up 3 of the towels. And I also saw these magnetic photo pockets. They reusable, easy to insert, used on refrigerator, metal lockers, and file cabinets. I was going to get them for my granddaughter, but she said they don't even have lockers. So, I don't know. I might take it back to the store. Or use it on my refrigerator. I can put photos in here and use on my refrigerator. And look at these cute candle pumpkins I picked up. Isn't that cute? I like the color. But yeah, they're candles, but they're pumpkins. Got the little stem at the top. Can you see the little stem? Yeah, there you go. 2 of those. Picked up 2 of the cleaners, the wipes, disinfectant wipes. Got 2 of these. Then look at these. Oh well, I gotta get ready to change out some stuff. the hand mitten, the oven mitt that goes with the leaf towels. And I found these. These are cute. I hadn't seen anybody hauling these. Coffee, wake up and smell the coffee. So I got these. And just another round cutting board. Got a DIY. And look at these beautiful placemats. I remember seeing these last year. I think I saw them last year. Or maybe I saw somebody hauling them last year. Because I don't even remember. I don't even think we got them last year. But these beautiful placemats. And let me show you the plate that I did that has this same finish. I decoupaged the plate last year with the napkins. I'll be back. So this is the plate that I did last year. And it has that same finish of the placemats. See? Autumn, it says the same thing. Autumn, thankful. So yeah, I had that. So I picked up 6 of these. There was only 6 they have. I hadn't decided. I don't think I'm gonna make pillows. So stay tuned. I hadn't decided what I'm gonna do with them yet. And the Christmas items I picked up, I found this stencil. They had another one. This one has 2-pack. So it has the bow. I like it because it has the bow and the bell and the candle on this side. And then it has seasoned greetings. And this little bucket. Isn't that cute? Little Santa Claus bucket. That'll be cute. Put a little gift in. And my store finally got some of these galvanized signs. This one says peace, joy, and believe. They're flimsy though. So that's what I have. So stay tuned to the end so you can see what I do with this tape. So that is it for my Dollar Tree haul. This is Miss V. I'm gonna continue to show you love. And I'm help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you and have a nice day. Deal with that caution tape. Is in my kitchen. If you're not familiar with my channel, if you hadn't been watching my channel, I have some termite damage. And this is the area that was visible. I am presently in the process of getting all that taken care of. But for 3 months, we have to leave this like this because we can't fix it until they're sure that the termites are gone. And they said termites travel very slow, so it takes about 3 months. So this is what I came up with because we wanted to cover it up because it was giving me the creeps. I was itching just looking at it, but I got a video coming soon. It's not gonna be for people with a weak stomach because I did capture the termites eating my wood, my window frame here. So that's what I did with that tape. I thought about that when I went to the Dollar Tree, so that's why I bought it. So that's it. That's gonna conclude this video. Thank you and have a nice day.